Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 5-level jive workout. Level 1 being the beginner to 5 being the most advanced. By the way, we are making a new program, so if you would like to be the first to hear when it goes live, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Alrighty guys, it is level 1. We're gonna start with our rock steps. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, here we go. Rock, step, 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 rock, step. Rock, step, step, step. Ready, change, other side. Step, step, rock, step, left foot back. Do it again, right foot back. Rock, step, step, step. Change. Keep going, other side. And switch. Very good. And watch. Triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Keep this up. Here we go. Point, 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 point. Pointing together. Very good. Get ready. Back to that rock step. Rock step. Rock step. Rock step. And change the other side. Go. Get ready. Triple go. Very good. Get ready. Point. Keep going. 5, 6. We're going to go back to those rock steps. Here we go. And done. Very good. Alrighty, guys. Level 2. Here we go. We're gonna have a basic step. Here we go, starting with our right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and a rock step. Triple step, triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step. Very good. And stop, other side, rock step. Other side. And stop, other side. Go. Very good. And here we go. Watch me. We have rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step. Keep it up. Get ready. We're gonna go point, 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 and walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Point, 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 point. Keep it up. And point, 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 point. To the basic, go, rock step, triple step, triple step. Very good. Get ready. And other side. And here we go, rock step, triple, rock step, triple. Get ready, and here we go. Point, point, point. Walk it out. And point, 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 and done. Very good. Alrighty, guys. Level 3. Here we go. We are gonna start with a mooch without a triple step. Get ready. Here we go. We go rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, stop, 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 rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, stop. Get ready, here we go. Kick, 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 a little hop. Jump, 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 jump. 5, 6, 7, and kick, 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 little jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and kick. If you can't do the jump, then you just step. Very good, keep going. Kick, and jump. Again, kick, and jump. Last time, kick, jump. Very good, get ready for drunken sailor, here we go. Drunken sailor, cross, cross behind. Very good. Keep it up. And get ready, here we go. Rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, stop, rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, stop, rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, stop, rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, stop. We do kick, 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 jump. From the right foot this time, kick, 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 jump. Very good, keep this up. Kick, 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 jump. Last time, kick, 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 and jump. Get ready, drunken sailor, go. Cross, cross. Very good, here we go. And a rock, step, kick, kick, and a rock, step, stop. Alrighty guys, level 4. We're gonna do that mooch with the triple step this time. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step, triple step, kick. Very good, guys. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, kick, kick, rock, step. Watch me, I go kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Walk it out. Walk, 2, 4, 5, 6, other foot. Kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Jump it out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Get ready. Left foot, go. And jump. Very good. Watch me. We go toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. And very good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Toe, heel, slow. Toe, heel, slow. Quick, 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 stop. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Quick, 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 stop. Very good. Get ready. We're going from the mooch. Rock, step, kick, kick. Rock, step, triple step, kick. Very good. And kick, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Other side, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. And right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Left foot, get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Get ready. Toe, heel, crosses, go. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. And stop. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Heel, cross, stop. Very good, guys. Alrighty. Last but not least, level 5. We're gonna start with some crosses. We're gonna get a box step in there. We're gonna have some kick combo for you. Get ready. 5, 6, left foot, cross and cross. Cross, now quick, quick, quick and kick. Box. And kick combo. Kick, kick, forward side, drunken sailor. Kick, kick, forward side, back to the beginning. Cross. Slow. Quick, quick, kick. And box. Combo. Get ready. Back to those crosses. Quick. Box. Kicks. Very good. Keep it up. Keep on going, guys. Come on. Push through it. You can do it. Breathe in through the nose, out of the mouth. Very good. Back to those crosses. Keep it up. Kicks. I'm getting silent on you guys because I need to breathe. Keep it up. Come on. Keep pushing. And whew, done. Alrighty, guys. I think we deserve a cool down. We're gonna have an American Rumba. Get ready. We're just gonna be on the spot. Here we go. And slow. Quick, quick, 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 slow. Quick, breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. Get ready, here we go. Box. Back. Forward. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. On the spot. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow. Get ready. We're gonna do a box. Here we go. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, forward. Side together, back. Left foot forward. Right foot back. We're gonna go side. Ready? Side. Together. Try to really work your hips here. Hold your center. And back on the spot. Slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, get ready. And we go forward. Back. Very good. Get ready for the side. Here we go. Side. And back on the spot. Quick, quick, slow. We're gonna breathe our arms here. Up, down, up, down, back to the box, and slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this workout. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.